Hi everybody, this is Oli Cantos here, and welcome to day number 12 of the Prosperity Team's most frequently asked questions, or day number 2 of questions you should be asking about the Prosperity Team. I'd like to talk with you today about what are lead capture pages, and what if you don't know how to do the darn things. So, for those of you who've been online for a while, and especially if you are the kind of person who has been looking to find business opportunities online, you've seen these things, and you may not even necessarily know what they're called, but it's a page where you're asked to enter your information. It could be your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and other contact information. Those are called lead capture pages. And so for those marketers who are brand new to this whole arena of learning how to build a business online, the question becomes, well, how do you even do a lead capture page, and how does that work with the whole autoresponder thing, and what do you do with just at a technical level? Well, the good news is that even though you don't know, or even if you don't know how what a lead capture page is, or by its name, or if you don't know how to set these up, the Prosperity Team has actually done that for us. So that enables us to have customized lead capture pages where we send people to those pages, and then once that happens, then once they provide their information, that information is then automatically fed into our autoresponder system. And if you don't know what an autoresponder is, that's going to be addressed in another video. So the good news here is that you don't need to have the detailed web programming expertise in order to be successful with this business. Although over time you learn how these work better, the great thing is that you can basically leverage your time by optimizing the expertise of the leaders of the Prosperity Team who have already put together lead capture pages for us. So all we need to do is get people to the lead capture pages so that way they can complete their information. A related question is, what happens from there? Well, often the next step is just to receive the promised information of whatever prompted people to provide their information. You're going to notice that lead capture pages frequently say, provide your information and then gain instant access to whatever it might happen to be. So there often is, within a marketing strategic context, there is also an interim step where once a person fills out the information on a lead capture page, then what happens? The interim step is to send them to a bridge page. And the bridge page actually provides further information and allows prospects to make the decision right then to get right involved with our business. And the best part is that in addition to that, they'll still get the instant information that was promised because of what was put together already. So it is such a great system where even if you don't know, as a beginning marketer, even if you don't know how to do a lead capture page or lead capture pages, and even if you don't know how to tie them into autoresponders, we do, and we have this all systematized for you to duplicate what has already been done, and that is what is so awesome. So that's it for today. Just click on the link below, get involved with us, and as you're seeing here, we just have such a comprehensive system. So click on the link below, get involved with us right away, don't delay, take action right now, and we will see you the next time.